Menus. We're looking at the menus page under the Appearance tab, and we see the menu that I quickly added in the widgets video. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. So now on the left hand side we have custom links, pages, categories, and they are grayed out, which means we can't use them right now. So let's go ahead and add a new menu. We'll call this menu Top Nav. We'll go ahead and create our menu. Now these are no longer grayed out and we can use them. On the left hand side we have theme locations, custom links, pages, categories. These are things that we can pull from to build our menu. And theme locations, these are the menu areas available to us from our theme. And so the 2012 theme has a single menu area called primary menu. Now that we've created a menu called Top Nav, we can assign it to the primary menu slot. So I'm going to say Top Nav. That may sound a bit confusing, but all that means is we've created a menu called Top Nav, and we're going to assign it to the primary menu location. And we can go ahead and save this menu. Now what this will do is if I go back to our home page and I click refresh, it will completely take out our top navigation because we have now replaced it with Top Nav, which doesn't have any navigation just yet. So, and we'll go and now build that navigation. On the left hand side we have custom links, and so if we wanted to build links that aren't exactly pages or posts when they're on our site, we would use the custom links option. Let's say we want to do that for a partner site, so we'll www. And then call this our partner. I can't spell. Add to menu. Now we've added that custom item to our menu, and we know it's custom because it has this custom tag. If we have an outside link, if I save that menu, click refresh, if I click our partner, it actually replaces the site with the link instead of opening it in a new tab or window. And that feature we can't set right now. That's actually a screen option. We'll go to screen option and we will select link target. Now we can choose to open this link in a new window or tab, click save, and if we refresh, clicking this link opens in a new window or tab. Next we can add pages. So here are the recent pages we've added in. We can view all pages by clicking view all, or we can search our pages by typing anything in. So let's just go to view all for right now and add in a few pages. We'll add in front page, blog, about, and level 1, 2, and 3. Click those, add to menu. And notice we've added them in and the nesting has disappeared. Anytime you add pages, even if they're nested, they have to be re-nested. So let's go ahead and add those back in. So let's add, we'll create, everything is drag and drop. So we'll drag front page to the top. Our partner, we'll have that be last. Next we'll have blog is fine. About the test, sample page is fine. And we'll have sample page underneath about the test. Level 1, 2, 3, 3A. And then we'll even nest this page. Click save menu. Refresh, and now here's our navigation. So this is how you build a menu for your site. If you wanted to add a new page and add that to the menu, you could. You would just go to Pages, Add New, About Us, publish that page, Appearance, Menus, About Us, Add to Menu, and then you can drag it anywhere you would like. Save menu, refresh. Now About Us has been added in. We can also choose specifically for the top nav to automatically add new top level pages. Click save menu. So what that means is that if I add a new page that isn't parented, then it is automatically added to the top nav. So here I'll add a page that is parented. I'll parent this to About Us. Menus, and you'll see that it has not been added in. I will go and add a page that is not parented, and you see it has been added in. So although this is a selection, it's probably not something necessarily you would use, but it is available to you. We'll go ahead and turn that off. Below that we have categories. So we can actually link to a category within our blog. So let's link to category A. Click Add to Menu, Save Menu, Refresh, and now we have category A, and here it is. There are some advanced options. We'll go to Screen Options, and we'll click Format, Tags, Post. So Show on Screen, we'll close that for now. And you see on the left-hand side, these have expanded. Now we have posts, our tags, and our format options. So now we can link to all these. And once this gets kind of long, and so we can actually close the things that we aren't using to make it a little bit more manageable. And that way we can just toggle open the things that we need. So if we wanted to link to a post, click Post, find the one we want to link to, Hello World, Add to Menu, adds it at the very bottom, and let's say we want to put it under Our Partner, Save Menu, Refresh, and there it is. Next, we'll look at Show Advanced Menu Properties. We have CSS classes, link relationships, and description. And then we'll look under Front Page. Well, you've already seen these first three. We can also add special classes, link relationships, and description to a menu item. One reason you may want to do this is, let's say you wanted to give some special treatment to, let's say, this level 1 option. We could give it a special class, and we could call that maybe active. And then in CSS, either through your theme or some custom CSS that you set up, you can actually target that item using that new class that you created. You can also give something a description. How that description is used depends on your current theme, but that's how you would do it. And then link relationships, pointless, but you can add those in if you would like. So that is creating menus. Thanks.